Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a portable reading light, check this one out from TSINGREE. Now, this is not only a reading light, but you can use this for everything. So, of course, for reading at night, you don't want to disturb your family. This is ideal. It sits right around your neck. The arms are completely adjustable, so you can point them in whatever direction you want. And you can choose the warmth of the light that you want. So there's 5 different options from very warm all the way to very cool. So whatever you prefer. You can also choose the dimness. So if you want it brighter or less bright, that's totally up to you. So the other thing I love to use this for is as a hands-free flashlight. You want to walk outside in the dark, you have to take the dog out. You can loop this right on your neck and point it towards the ground or whatever direction you need to have lit up. And you can still have access to your hands. I love this. It's very easy to charge. It has a USB charger, and then you're good for up to 50 hours. So if you are looking for the convenience of lighting on the go, or you just want to have a nice reading light for in bed at night, this is an ideal solution. I think you're going to really like it. This is the gray, but they do come in other colors. So have a look, but that's my point of view.